So how many of you are upset that Chick-fil-A stopped selling their coleslaw? If you are, or if you're looking for a really good coleslaw recipe, then you're going to want to keep watching. Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today, and if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, I know I have talked to several people that were upset that Chick-fil-A no longer sells their coleslaw. Well, I had heard that they had the recipe on their website, so I went and checked it out, and sure enough, they do have the recipe on their website. So I went ahead, printed it off. I am going to be making a little bit more than what they call for. I think theirs calls for 2 10-ounce bags of coleslaw. I'm actually doing 32 ounces, so I will be increasing the ingredients a little bit, but I'm also going to put the link to the actual Chick-fil-A recipe in the description box of this video, so if you need it, you can go and click on it. So let's turn the camera down and go over all the ingredients. All right, so in the back, I have sugar in that container. I have 2 16-ounce bags of coleslaw. I have some white distilled vinegar, some mayo, ground mustard, and salt. And friends, that is it. All right, my friends, as you saw, the ingredients are pretty simple and minimal. So fingers crossed, this is going to taste like their coleslaw. So let's turn the camera down and put this together. All right, my friends, we are going to start with 6 teaspoons of the white distilled vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. Now we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of sugar. That in there. Then we're going to add in our dry mustard. We're going to do just a tad bit more than 1/2 teaspoon, just a little over a teaspoon, or a 1/2 teaspoon, excuse me. And then we're going to do a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, so just a little tiny bit extra. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and get that sugar melted. Mix all that together. That sugar nice and melted. I love the smell of vinegar. I don't know if you guys do or not, but oh, I do. Just going to get the sides down a little bit. I love that smell. Okay. Ooh! Did y'all see that? All right, let me just get that off there and quick stir. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and add in our mayo. So I'm gonna add in a 1.5 cups. I need to get a different spatula so I don't contaminate my mayo. Ah, that one won't fit. Seriously? I need a spoon. All right. I did buy another extra mayo just in case. I wasn't sure how much I had in here. Glad I did. I'm probably going to use up all my mayo. All right. So we got 1. All of them out. Okay, and then we're going to add in a 1/2 cup. You know what? I'll just use this 1/2 cup. I got it measured perfectly. I think I just have enough, y'all. Get this in there. I hate when I get mayo on my hands. Not a fan. All right, get this off the spoon. And then, all right, let's go ahead and mix this up really well. Now the recipe does call for a 1/4 cup of carrots and finely shredded cabbage. They only had the cabbage that had the carrots in it at my store, so that's what I purchased. If you can't buy it like that, obviously you'll add the carrots. It calls for a 1/4 cup diced carrots. Mine was already in the cabbage. That's the only way they had it, so I had to buy it that way, so no biggie. But like I said, I'll have the recipe linked below, and you all will have it. And hopefully it is good. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my first bag. Mix that up real quick, and then I'll add the second. And we see the carrots are shredded, not diced, but I don't think that's going to make a difference. I hope not. I don't think it will. I don't think it'll change the taste. Okay, I'm gonna add my second bag. Put that in. I'm just shocked this is how easy it is. It almost seems not real, doesn't it? Like this is all it is to that, and everybody loves it so much. It's almost kind of like, no. But we'll see. Like I feel like there needs to be celery seed in there, or celery or something. I don't know. But we'll see. All right, my friends, that is it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and throw some plastic wrap on this, get it in the fridge for a couple hours, and do a taste test at dinner time. So let's go ahead and get this in the fridge. Friends, it's in the fridge, and we'll come back in about four hours and do a taste test. All right, my friends, we are done. I'm gonna give it a good stir. It's very juicy for sure. That usually happens a lot with coleslaw, doesn't it? It gets very liquidy. Let's see. Okay. I'm going to scoop some up, put it on a plate, and we'll be right back and do a taste test. All right, my friends, so here we go. Now, it's been ages since I've had this coleslaw, so I am honestly not going to be able to tell you for sure if this tastes like the Chick-fil-A. I'll let you know if it's good. I'm going to have hubby try it as well. I don't think he's ever had Chick-fil-A coleslaw. I do have 2 friends that like it. So I'm gonna ask them to try it, but this video will be up before they get a chance to try it. So in the comment section, I will let you know for sure if they liked it. I'll pin it there so that way you can see whether or not they thought it was close, the same, or different, but yet still good. So let's go ahead and do a quick taste test. It's pretty good. Tastes like coleslaw. It's good. It's absolutely good. But like I said, I'll let you know for sure, because I really can't compare this to the Chick-fil-A. This is their recipe, took it directly from their website, So I'm assuming it tastes just like it. But anyway, friends, like I said, I'll let you know what my friends think. I'll let you know what hubby thinks. I'll put that up right here on the screen. So friends, thanks so much for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. Also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next time. Bye.